Hey everyone, it has been a minute. It seriously took me so long to set this up. Also, like what, why? Why? So today I'm gonna go through and do all new products. I have so much makeup right now that I don't even wear makeup on the daily anymore. Like 0%, like no makeup. I just don't feel it anymore. Masks, yeah, there's no point. So I am gonna be going through and doing my full face, like literally every single step with new products, because I keep buying makeup because I'm addicted to it, but I don't even wear it anymore. So good thing that it's partly my job so I can use makeup on my clients because otherwise I would just be buying makeup for nobody. First, I'm gonna start out by using these Peter Thomas Roth gold under eye things. If you guys have never used like hyaluronic acid on your face, first of all, you need to start. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, they're so chilly. So chilly. Feels good. You guys, I cannot with that like head behind me. Ah, don't get in my eye. The Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare 24 Gold Pure Luxury Lift and Firm Hydrogel Eye Patches. Hyaluronic acid can hold up to like 1,000 times its weight in water. Yes. So it's literally like giving your skin a drink of water. Should I move this head? I think I gotta move it. Better. So much better. Oh, yeah. High-key recommend those. Honestly, 10 out of 10, but these are so expensive. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going in with a primer. The Makeup Revolution Prime Bright Brightening Primer. When I got this, I literally thought that it was a stick, but it's not. Also, I got these new brushes from Real Techniques and we're trying those out as well. Brightening primers are always good, even if you like want to look tan. They just add a little bit of an extra glow, which if you know me, glow over matte any day. Like, ugh. I just want to look like my face is like oil slick, but in like a hot way, you know? That's hot. So for my brows, I'm gonna be going off camera and just doing my brow routine. I know I've done it on other videos. You guys can check it out there. I was switching around and using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Yeah, I used this one time. It was amazing. Loved it. Closed it. Opened it up like a month later, right? Bro, this is seriously so disgusting.
Come on.
I don't even think you can see like what's happening in there. Maybe from the back you can. I will upload like photos over here of like what's going on. Some people said it was mold, which I don't actually think it is mold. Someone said it was just crystallizing because of like heat, but I'm in my makeup room. Like this is not, it doesn't get cold or hot in here, like to extreme. There's like a little teeny balls of like, I don't know. I don't even know what it is. So we're throwing that away. Okay, so next I'm just going to go in and cut out my brow a little bit. And for that, I'm gonna be using the P. Louise Cosmetic Base. And I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of my Shape Tape Concealer with that. So I'm just gonna be cutting out. I like very rarely cut my top because it's just like, ugh. I don't know, 2016, but do you, girl. Okay, another new brush. I have so many new brushes, you guys. This one is from the Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration, and here they all are, still in their packaging because that's how I do it. I have this like pink background all the way back there, if you can see it, that I want to take some photos in front of. That's literally been up for, a good 2 months that I haven't like made content. But I was like, oh, this is such a cute background. I'm gonna start making content in front of this. Sure you are, Megan. Look at this. Look, so beautiful. This is the Tartelette Full Bloom Amazonian Clay Palette. I love this. I just love it. And the mirror, yeah, top notch. I started with Oasis. I used Plush, Cherry Bloom, Romance, and Creative. and just keeping the darker tones on the outer half of my eye and shimmering on my lid and inner corner. The trend right now, you guys, like you're seeing all these videos on TikTok of like people like going like this and like bringing their concealer up. It's that shape of face right now is just really trendy. So when you are doing your makeup, tipping up all the edges of everything is going to slightly contour your face that way. I mean, it is just makeup, it's not plastic surgery, but you can do a little bit with it. And then for my accent, I'm gonna be using this brand. I literally don't know how to say this, but it's Moira. It is their Diamond Days Liquid Shadow, and I seriously got this in all the colors. I just ordered all of them because why not? So I'm actually just gonna be taking this and putting it on my palette. If you guys have been watching my journey or follow me on Instagram, you know that I have really sensitive eyes. So it's just made me a lot more cautious about the tools I'm using, how I'm using my products, and how I am sanitizing them. Just packing that on my inner corner. Wow, this is super foiled. I hope it doesn't crease, but we'll see, I guess. Dude, this zit right here, annoying. This is doing pretty good, I think, for a wet product. And I'm putting it over a powder too, so like another obstacle.
Please call for help.
We're gonna let that dry for a second. And then I'm gonna grab this pink one, actually. This is like really pink. This one is the In Pursuit. And we're gonna put that. My cat definitely just knocked over my Christmas tree. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And
Okay, so next we're gonna try this like Amazonian clay. And I mixed that with another color because that's really white. And then I also put in these Cover FX drops, which usually I love, but the dropper in this one is bogus, so I hate it. But the formula of this I already know I like. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Maybe it'll make me feel better once I have foundation on. Okay, I didn't get a new contour stick, so I'm just gonna be using one of my old ones. I'm probably gonna use, what am I gonna use? I don't know. Probably my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour, and then I'm just gonna go in with bronzer on top of that. And again, this is kind of what I'm doing with creating that shape going up. You don't wanna bring it too far down. And then I'm just using the leftover underneath. So I already used that Saint blush, but I am gonna go over it with this Kylie Cosmetics Kitten Baby. Always love her packaging. This is like a little bit more peachy than I anticipated, but we are just gonna go for it. Definitely more of a summer blush, but it works. This is Requiem by KVD Beauty. Then I also put a little bit of this Jeffree Star Shane Dawson just in the inner part. And it's on my tooth too. Love that for me. Okay, next thing that I'm gonna use that I have not used before is the setting spray. It's gonna be the Tarte Stay Spray. I just got like a little mini guy, so we're just gonna see how that works. Okay. Smells good. I wish I had one of those little fans. That's like honestly the key to making your stay spray stay, is actually like the drying effect of it. I ordered this stamp liner from Dolls Kill, and I like really wanted to use that, but I wonder if that's just gonna be like too much. I also got a sample of mascara that we're gonna try. This is the Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie, and I believe this is by Tarte as well. I already hate the brush. I just hate little rubber brushes like this. They're just not for me. Always put your mascara on before you do your lashes. Like when people do it after, I'm just like, what are you doing, girl? What are you doing? I guess I do like the rubber brushes for my lower lash line, but that's it. So that's actually like a perfect sample because I can just use this only for my lower lash line. We are gonna go in with the House of Lashes Noir Fairy Tale Light. I'll be right back. Okay, so the last step that I did was put on this Dolls Kill butterfly stamp, and overall, not bad. The glitter eyeshadow thing was an actual disaster. So unfortunately, those are getting like a 2 out of 10 for me. They're getting a 2 because they're pretty, but like I just can't use them, I guess. Maybe I just have to practice more, or maybe today's just not my day. I don't know. But if you guys want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!